आपके सामने इंग्लिश ज़ुबान में एक बेहतरीन तकरीर आपके सामने पेश करने के लिए दावत देता हूँ। मंतशा मोहम्मद अखलाक को जो P3 की तालिबा हैं वो माइक पर आएँ और बज़ुबान इंग्लिश अपनी तकरीर पेश करें।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। नहमदुहू व नसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम, अम्मा बअद। फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। व अलैसा लिल इंसानि इल्ला मा सआ। Respected director, honorable guests, teachers and my dear audience. Today in this stage I am going to present you a speech. The topic of my speech is believe in your hard work. Dear sisters, hard work is an essential thing that we all need in life. It is impossible to achieve greatness without working hard. In other words, an idle person cannot gain anything if he wish to sit and wait for something else. On the other hand, a person who used to work hard constantly, he will get success. And this is exactly what essay on hard work will elaborate upon. Hard work is important and history has proved it. The great Edison used to work hard for many hours a day and he owned his table with only books and pens. Similarly, the Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, worked 17 hours a day and 7 days a week, and he did not enjoy any holidays. The great leader Mahatma Gandhi worked round the clock to win the freedom for his country. Thus, hard work was made for all these people. One should constantly work hard as it helps you to achieve your greatness. As we say, man is born to work just like steam, shine in use and rust in rest. Surely, Allah does not change the condition of a people until they change their own condition. My dear sisters and brothers, do not believe in your luck. Believe in your hard work, because a man goes on the moon by his hard work, not by his luck. As Quran says, وَأَلَّيْسَ لِلْإِنسَانِ إِلَّا مَا سَعَى. A man will get nothing until he works hard. Life doesn't change in years.